Hello everyone, welcome to City Group of Institutions. Welcome to 25 glorious years of academic excellence. Do you think you are interested in biology, physiology, technology blended with biology, physiology, medicine, human body, and all that the technology can do for the betterment of the humanity? If yes, then you are cut out for the course of biotechnology offered to you by CD Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences. So join me, let's explore CD Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences, which is affiliated to IKG PTU Punjab. Let's explore the possibilities, the scope, the occupational opportunities and much more with the CD Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences. The Biotechnology department offers 2 courses under the umbrella. The first one is B.Sc Biotechnology. This course is of the duration of 3 good years. The second course is Masters in Biotechnology, and this course is of 2 years duration. Both these courses offer a huge amount of opportunity. There are various opportunities in the field of CSIR research, in the government and the private sector, in the field of the laboratories, plant, animal and human tissue culture. Isn't it an amazing opportunity to tap upon? Various multinational companies which are dealing in the food industry like Nestle, GlaxoSmithKline and plethora of other industries, they offer the floodgates of opportunities to the biotechnology students. So, explore the possibilities as the biotechnology graduate and postgraduate. We, the City Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences, offers you the floodgate. Kindly come forward, decide and pick cautiously. In the Biotechnology department of City Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences, we have well-equipped, recently upgraded laboratory with world-class equipments like HPLC, FTIR, sphygmomanometers like ELISA, tablet punching machines, dissolution apparatus, laminar airflow vent incubator and much more. The academic and the research team of CD Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences and the Biotechnology department is led by Dr. S.P. Gautam. He has a big internationally reputed team of the faculty members who have their doctorate and the postdoctorate degrees with them, with the international experience, the research papers and the patents to their credit. So you would be in the safe hands. You would be startled to know that a biotechnologist covers the area like the wildlife conservation, the environment conservation. Not just that, a biotechnologist focuses on industrial research and development, stem cell banking in hospitals, agriculture, healthcare, forensic lab, animal husbandry, and much more. The scope is immense. The chances are lots. The sky is the limit. All that you need to do is take that one step of leap. Explore the possibilities as a biotechnologist. So kindly give a call on the numbers being flashed on your screens. Or you can just take the liberty to walk into City Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences, pay a visit, meet our experts, see the laboratories and then decide on your own.